Before Angel Chakma, it was Nido Tanyam. He was 19, a student from Arunachal Pradesh and the son of Congress MLA Nido Pavitra. On January 29, 2014, Nido was in Lajpat Nagar market in Delhi with friends when a confrontation began. Shopkeepers mocked his hairstyle and an argument broke out. The situation escalated quickly and Nido was assaulted with iron rods and sticks, suffering serious injuries to his head, brain and lungs.
I'm not satisfied at all with the police action.
Police arrived, but they treated the incident primarily as a dispute over property. Rupees 7,000 was paid for a broken shop counter facilitated by the police. Nido walked away with his friends, appearing conscious, but the next morning he was found unresponsive and rushed to AIIMS, where he was declared dead. The post-mortem confirmed brain injuries from blunt force trauma.
For this we have been crying.
The killing sparked nationwide outrage. Protests erupted in Delhi and across the northeast, and the country was forced to confront discrimination faced by northeastern Indians in Indian cities. The case was later taken over by the CBI. In 2019, a Delhi court convicted 4 adults accused of culpable homicide not amounting to murder, while juveniles were tried separately. Appeals followed and some sentences were later suspended. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, then the BJP's prime ministerial candidate, called Nido Tanyam's death a national shame and emphasized the need for dignity and safety for people from the northeast.
That it is a shameful incident.
He has not yet commented on Angel Chakma's case. In 2023, Kiran Rijiju spoke in Parliament about his own experiences as a student and young MP from Arunachal Pradesh. He recalled how people often did not know where Arunachal Pradesh was.
उस समय का केंद्र में जो मंत्री थे उनको पूछेंगे कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट में कितना स्टेट है, वो 8 स्टेट का नाम भी नहीं बता पाते थे.
More than a decade since Nido's death, another northeast student has died. Angel Chakma, a student from Tripura, was allegedly stabbed in Dehradun. The investigation is still underway. Police say it is too early to determine whether the attack was racially motivated, while the family has alleged racial abuse. What is clear is that while the motive in Angel Chakma's case is yet to be legally established, the memory of Nido Tanyam continues to shape how such deaths are seen and understood in India.
More.